Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you send documents in iPhone WhatsApp. So at first just launch your WhatsApp. After opening a conversation, in the bottom left here you can see there is a plus icon. Just click on the bottom left plus icon. And here you can see in the bottom left again document. Just click on document. You can choose the document from files or photos. I'm just choosing the files. And here you can see there are so many documents are here. I'm just choosing this one. And you can just click the top right open. And click the bottom right the send icon. And by this you can just send documents in iPhone WhatsApp. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.